For the ultimate portable sawmill experience, the powerful LT70 is the obvious answer. Packed with the most advanced sawing technology and productivity-boosting features in the industry. The LT70 is used daily by commercial sawyers all over the world, and there's no better sawmill in the world to take your business to a whole new level of production. The LT70 is ideal for anyone who needs to maintain high production in a demanding environment day after day. Fully portable, this mill is easily towed right to waiting logs, or can remain stationary as a breakdown saw for your sawmill operation. The LT70 quickly converts logs up to 3 feet in diameter and 20 feet long into quality lumber, plenty of capacity for most logs you'll encounter. When it comes to productivity enhancements, nothing has been left out on the LT70. All log handling functions are hydraulically driven. The loading arms easily lift heavy logs onto the cutting bed. The strong log clamp and 2 vertical side supports keeps logs firmly in place during sawing. The heavy-duty bidirectional chain turner rotates your logs and cants quickly, and the deluxe board return system keeps boards coming off the mill as fast as you can saw. 2 roller toe boards allow you to level up tapered logs. To begin sawing, the blade is engaged from the operator controls. There are 2 included features on the LT70 for extending blade life. The debarker travels ahead of the blade, clearing bark, mud, and rocks away, and the lube miser system provides precise bursts of lubrication to both sides of the blade. With the Deluxe AccuSet 2 computerized setworks at your fingertips, you'll be able to focus on maintaining high production and let the precise automated controls do the work of calculating board thicknesses and moving the head into place for your next cut. Its 5 different sawing modes give you the ultimate flexibility to saw quickly for any situation. At Woodmiser, we feel that our claims should be put to the test because we believe the proof's in the performance. At the 2011 Portable Sawmill Shootout, the LT70 produced lumber at the rate of 1,227 board foot per hour, with 2 operators and Woodmiser's twin blade edger, proving that the LT70 is capable of much more than advertised. You can enhance your sawing capabilities with Woodmiser's wide selection of upgrades and options. Woodmiser offers 3 additional operator options. The LT70 DCS model comes standard with the remote pedestal that can be set up anywhere around the sawmill and features ergonomic joystick operation. On the traditional walk-with version of the LT70, there are 2 additional operator options: the ride-along operator seat and even wireless head controls. Expand your production capabilities with the lathe miser attachment, the shingle lapsider attachment, and even turn your sawmill into a resaw. Saw up to 45-foot logs and beams by adding bed extensions onto your mill. One of the major features that sets the LT70 apart is the 24-inch diameter blade wheels and, of course, the open-sided sawing head. Unmatched in the industry, this engineering marvel has allowed sawyers to produce billions of board feet of accurate lumber in the over 30 years since Woodmiser invented the very first portable band sawmill. The patented open side allows you to tackle odd-shaped logs and greatly improves your overall visibility around the mill. Woodmiser's exclusive bed shape allows you to pull boards off the mill and make blade changes without an unnecessary second rail in your way. Because you don't have to level 2 side-by-side rails, you can be set up and sawing accurate lumber in minutes, even on a slope. The LT70 comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year sawmill warranty, and a 5-year chassis warranty, the strongest warranty in the industry. You can pick up your new sawmill and receive free, full training on mill setup and operation at any of our sales and service locations across the U.S. and Canada. And you won't find a better after-sale support anywhere else. You can talk to an experienced technician 6 days a week, visit a location to receive sawmill service, and take advantage of our affordable annual service loops that bring a service tech right to your door. Overnight delivery on parts and blades is available, and 95% of orders are shipped the same day. LT70 owner Doug Gardner depends on his sawmill to produce pallet stock and cross ties every day. If you're looking for a proven, high productive sawmill that will help you achieve your business goals, then the LT70 is the right choice. Take command of customizing any Wood-Mizer sawmill with our easy-to-use online sawmill configurator, where you choose engines, options, and see current pricing and available discounts. Just go to mywoodmizer.com to get your free custom quote.